how to configure product variants in manufacturing module. To enable the product variants feature in Odoo, first you need to go to inventory module and go to configuration and settings, where we can locate the variants option and click the checkbox to enable it. Once enabled, save to apply the settings. After activating the product variants, we can access the attribute page in inventory module. From there, we can create, edit and customize the attributes of products and its variants. Here I select a product name t-shirt, and we can see here there is an attribute and variants page, and under this we can select the attribute and its values. Here I selected color and its values as green, gray, etc. And from here we can also configure it. We can also select another attribute size and its values as small, medium, large, etc. These can be edited and customized from this attribute page in this menu. We can also apply bill of materials components to product variants. To do this, first we need to navigate to manufacturing app, go to products, bill of materials. From there we can create a new BOM by create or editing the existing one. In this bill of materials form, add the main product by selecting from the drop down menu in the product field, and we can under this component tab click add a line component section to add components to BOM. We can also choose the desired components from the drop down menu. We can set the quantity also here. We can also see the apply on variants field here, and we can select the variants from here. To manufacture a variant for a bill of material product, we can go to manufacturing module, and from there we can see manufacturing orders. Create a new manufacturing order, and from the form we can select the product, and we can also see its variants alongside its name. So we can select here for this product t-shirt, gray, size is large. And also enter the quantity of the variant you want to produce in the quantity field, and choose the BOM in bill of materials section. Select the BOM that corresponds to the chosen product and confirm this bill of material. Also, if you need to configure any additional operations or work centers required for manufacturing variants, you can also choose this. And once all these necessary details are entered, confirm to initiate the manufacturing process. And after completing the manufacturing process, we can confirm this and mark the manufacturing order as done. This is how we configure product variants in manufacturing module. Thank you.